In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate effectively in Airtable. Airtable is a fantastic tool for organizing information, projects, and tasks, and collaboration is where it truly shines. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to work seamlessly with others on any project. So, let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll need to open your Airtable base. Think of the base as your project's command center, where all your data is stored and organized. Make sure you have the base that you want to share open and ready. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled Share. This is your gateway to collaboration. Give it a click. Upon clicking Share, you'll see a couple of options for inviting others to your base. If you have specific people in mind, you can easily enter their email addresses in the designated field. This way, you'll be sure that only they can access the base. It's important to make sure those you're inviting have appropriate permissions. If you want them to make changes, be sure to assign them editor access. For viewing purposes only, viewer access will suffice. This is a good opportunity to think about what level of collaboration you want to offer. But what if your collaboration needs are more public focused, or you want to share the base without specifying emails? That's where the Share to Web option can be a handy feature. Clicking on this will provide you with a link that you can then copy. This link can be shared with anyone you like, making the process of including new collaborators quick and efficient. When you do use this feature, just be sure to keep in mind the level of access you're granting with that link. It's a useful feature, but remember that convenience should never come at the expense of security and privacy. As you're sharing your base through either method, it's beneficial to provide context for your collaborators by adding a brief note or message. This ensures that everyone is clearly aligned on the purpose of the collaboration and any specific tasks they should focus on. Whether it's through a comment on a record or a brief explanation in the initial sharing invite, this communication is crucial. With these steps, you should now feel empowered to bring others into Airtable and collaborate with ease. This capability